Welcome to the topic series. We're talking about Paulson tactical products, and now we're going to talk about the goggle models 510TF and 510TFN. These are fragmentation goggles designed with a triple lens to provide very high fragmentation levels or impact levels associated with the lens of the goggle. This goggle has a surrounding bezel that locks the lens into the frame. You'll notice that when I pull on this, it doesn't come apart. It has a triple lens, an exterior ballistic lens that is hard-coated, a center ballistic lens, and then on the inside, there's an anti-fog specific lens to provide the best possible anti-fog protection. This goggle has an adjustable strap that's one-touch adjustable. So when you pull this forward, when there's tension on it, the strap will release. And to tighten it, you only have to pull this back. It has a helmet compatibility feature so that when it's on your head, it's straight back, and when it's on the helmet, it's wider, and everything still works properly with the pivot and with the strap attachment. The back of the strap has a feature of that you can attach this goggle without removing your helmet by just reaching behind, feeling this to go through this hole right here, and when you pull it up tight, it snaps together, and now it's attached to the helmet. All of this works together to give you a very high impact goggle. It can be worn on your head or on your helmet. It comes with the helmet compatibility clips that will allow the goggle to be attached directly to the helmet. The second goggle in this fragmentation series is the 510-TFN. It has all of the features and benefits of the model that I just had shown you, but it has, with the addition, a nose cover. This nose cover provides good cut protection, impact protection for the wearer. It is integral to the bezel. There's nothing to come off. There's no joint in it. It is just built right into this lower section of the goggle. So those are the two models in the fragmentation series.